All right, hey guys, welcome to Wolf Street Playhouse here in downtown Charleston. Tonight we have a special event going on called MUSC Live. It's a benefit concert held by MUSC for the Charleston Autism Academy. We have several, over 10 acts playing tonight. Most of them, if not all, are either faculty or students at MUSC. And why don't I just show you what's inside? We have our show going here at the Wolf Street Playhouse. Very nice, kind of retro look. And we'll have food tonight, courtesy of Jane Ma. Jane, can you tell us a bit about what you made for us tonight?
Yeah, so right here I've just got a pork shoulder, lots and lots of pounds of it, braised in a red wine reduction, and I'll be serving that over nachos with a Gruyere cheese sauce. It's gonna be really good.
Sounds good.
We have popcorn, right? Popcorn, and there'll be drinks
Couple
going
of
on.
rosemary popcorn.
Yeah.
It'll be a lot of fun.
Right now we're just doing a sound check, getting everything set up. We got our pretty cool looking bar over here on the right.
Oh, okay. Some drinks.
Yep, bar. Yeah, and over here on the side, we're setting up for the house band. A couple of us MUSC students will be playing just in between sets, some light jazz, pop, stuff
Hey,
like
what's
that.
up, Richard?
What's up, Martin?
Hey, Grant. What's up, boy? How you doing?
All right, ready to go.
Half WOTA, right?
Half order. 1.5 order.
1.5 WOTA. Alright.
Okay.
But it's gonna be a good night. Hope everyone can show up tonight.
Yeah, looks good. Appreciate it. Thank you.